Hey, möchtest du in den nächsten 3 Wochen sichtbar schlanker werden? Ich habe einen Abnehmen-Guide für dich erstellt, der dir genau dabei helfen wird. Klicke in der Videobeschreibung auf den Link, dort kannst du dir meinen Abnehmen-Guide kostenlos herunterladen.
in the dark. At least when I'm not with you, it's like without you I just fall apart. And I don't know what I'm heading into, 'cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive. I like that you're free. I wanna be that way with you. Chasing highs to take the weight out of me. Far from lows, I don't ever feel blue. 'Cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive. I used to be so low, now I can't be alone. I used to be so, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive. Feel alive with you.
Almost don't remember how it feels when you lay down in an open field, when your summer dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Hands, put 'em in the sky, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans to make everybody the dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time.
Falls du dir meinen kostenlosen Abnehmen-Guide noch nicht geholt hast, geh jetzt in die Videobeschreibung und klicke auf den Link. Dort kannst du meinen Abnehmen-Guide kostenlos herunterladen.